Well, hello, and welcome to the show. As you know, I've been doing mug cake musicals. Well, today is the mug cake musical Extravaganza. I've invited a few of my friends for today's episode. So take a seat, grab your favorite mug, and let the show begin. Grab your mug, it's a mug cake musical. A ginger peach mug cake made just for my mouth.
I start with an egg inside, vanilla and oil.
Next comes some buttermilk and some sugar that's brown.
Then comes the flour and mix it around.
Did someone say peaches? I put them right in.
Next comes candied ginger. It is such a sin.
I mix it all up now. 2 minutes to heat.
And now it is finished and ready to eat.
Fluffernutter mug cake. Put 1 egg in the mug. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter.
Jim's going to add a touch of oil and milk and vanilla to his mug cake.
Next comes the marshmallows. Then mix it up. Microwave on high for 2 minutes. Then take a bite. Yum! Let's make a rhubarb mug cake, little old lady-hoo.
First we'll take some rhubarb and some butter too.
Microwave 30 seconds, then it'll heat right through.
First will come an egg and a little vanilla.
Also add some milk, gotta have some sugar.
Salt and cardamom and self-raising flour.
Mix it up and microwave 90 seconds
At full power.
Boy, this tastes so good, little old lady. Woo! I'm gonna make an applesauce mug cake. Grab your applesauce, yeah!
I've got my M&M mug and my self-rising flour. Here comes the applesauce. Don't forget the maple syrup.
Half a teaspoon of vanilla. Then you whisk it with the fork.
A sprinkle of cinnamon too. And don't accidentally use the curry like I almost did.
Pinch of cinnamon, punch of salt. Microwave 2 minutes on full power.
Time to go in for a bite. Holy, it's dynamite.
As you can tell, I really liked it. It's thebomb.com, especially with whipped cream.
I'm gonna make a chocolate mayonnaise cake. I'm gonna put it inside of this mug. Tablespoon of mayonnaise and 3 tablespoons of sugar too. And then you whisk it up. You've got to whisk it up.
Whisk it up, you better whisk it up.
2 tablespoons of water. Then you shake that vanilla.
And then you whisk it up. You got to whisk it
A
up.
tablespoon of cocoa and self-rising flour, 1/4 cup. Then comes a shake of salt.
You got to whisk it up.
Then you whisk it up.
You got to whisk it up.
And then you whisk it up. Microwave for 90 seconds. And then you eat it up. You've got to eat it up.
You better eat this up.
Yum, yum.
Got to whisk it up.
Jazz bands.
It's time to make make a pumpkin cake. A 1/4 cup of puree. I'm gonna mix it with this egg. Then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a splash of vanilla, and some pumpkin spice coffee creamer. Also 3 tablespoons of self-rising flour. Then you grab your pumpkin spice and you shake it inside, and you shake in a little salt. Now you grab yourself a fork and you whisk, whisk, whisk it up. Microwave it on high for 90 seconds till it's risen up. Risen up. It has risen up.
It has risen up. It has risen up. Oh yeah, enjoy. Amen. Enjoy.
Oh, we're gonna make a mug cake. Put bread pudding right inside the mug. Then you grab a measuring cup. Put it right next to the mug.
First we put an egg in the cup, a 1/4 cup of sugar in the cup, a little splash of vanilla in the cup, then a cup of milk in the cup.
Dash of cinnamon, a dash of salt, and then you stir it up. Put some stale cubes of bread in the mug. We're gonna pour that sauce on the top. Soak 10 minutes and microwave, and you eat it up.
I've got my mug, it's extra big. I'm gonna put cake in it. You dig? I know this guy, his name is Jim. He does mug cake musicals. So let's go ask him.
Well, grab that Irish cream. Let's make a mug cake now.
We're gonna put an egg inside, and then we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of oil. Grab
Yourself a fork and give it a stir. A little instant coffee and a little sour cream.
a 1/4 cup of sugar, and of course I've got the Irish cream.
1/4 cup self-rising flour. You shake.
Shake, shake that salt. Time to grab that fork and give it a stir.
Give it a stir. Stir it up. Stir it up now. Stir it up. Stir it up now. Give it a stir. Stir it up now. Microwave for 90 seconds. Eat it up now.
Eat it up, eat it up.
Eat it up now.
Eat it up.
I am so happy.
Eat it
I'm gonna eat it up.
Eat it up, eat it up.
Oh, I love it.
I think that'll do.
Yeah.